Today we're going to be talking about Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Now RVNL has been rising for the past week at 33%. Today it touched the upper circuit and is at 10%. There are no sells. The buys volume is at 58 lakhs. It has risen in the past 1 year over 250%. अभी फिलहाल बता नहीं सकते कि उसका हाल क्या है, whether it is going to fall or whether it is going to still rise. It is like a balloon, it is just being pumped and pumped and pumped. तो बड़ा होते 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 जा रहा है, तो कब फूटेगा पता नहीं. The people who are already holding the shares are at huge profit, so they will want to book their profits and sell them at their profit. So there is a massive sell-off that is going to be coming soon. But till then you can enjoy the ride. तो अगर होल्ड किया है तो गुड फॉर यू. इफ यू आर वरीड अबाउट इट फॉलिंग देन सेल कर दो. देयर इज नो हार्म इन सेलिंग एंड बुकिंग योर प्रॉफिट्स एट करंट प्राइस. इफ यू आर satisfied with them then sell them. You can buy it again if you see that it is still rising tomorrow. Comment below what do you think about the share, whether it is going to rise or whether it is going to fall. Man loses 30 lakhs on stock trading. Seeks treatment from addiction. This is a very basic reminder to all of you traders who are intra trading or trading with F and O, which is derivatives. Commodity ho, currency ho, या whether future options हो. The basic and the most useful advice I can give you is do not be greedy. भगवान भी यही बोलता है कि भाई पैसे के पीछे भागना नहीं चाहिए. रन आफ्टर नॉलेज, पैसे विल कम आफ्टर यू. ऐसा है भाई. नाउ इन द न्यूज दैट मैन हु इज सीकिंग थेरेपी, ठीक है, इन द प्रीवियस ईयर्स ही वाज अर्निंग गुड मनी. सडनली ऐसा क्या हो गया कि भाई 30 लाख खो दिए एंड देन हिज लाइफ सेविंग्स भी खो दिया भाई. नाउ दिस एडिक्शन इज बिकॉज 100%, 99.99% is because he was earning certain profit. He was not satisfied with that profit. He wanted more profit. So he lost the money. That is why you need to control your urges. You need to control your greed and just exit the market when the profit is booked. अगर ग्रीन दिख गया है ना एंड यू आर सेटिस्फाइड, मतलब एक बेंचमार्क रख दो. देयर इज अ फिक्स्ड परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रॉफिट दैट यू शुड कीप कि भाई 10%, 20%, इसके ऊपर जाऊंगा ही नहीं ऐसे. So if your target is achieved, then exit the market ASAP. Don't wait for the market कि भाई अच्छा हाँ बढ़ रहा है, no I don't mind, I will wait. ऐसा नहीं. Controlling is a very important factor. That's it. The public sector undertakings of Gujarat will now pay mandatory dividend to all its shareholders. Recently in the news, the Gujarat made this decision where all the Gujarat's PSUs will pay mandatory dividend. वापस से सुन लो, mandatory dividend is going to be paid by Gujarat PSUs. But it is only limited to the entities that Gujarat government has a stake in. GSPL, GNFC and many other more Gujarat entities. The average dividend that all the Gujarat PSUs paid were either 2 rupees or 4 rupees or 5 rupees. Only 1 or 2 of them actually paid 8 to 10 rupees dividend, which is quite less. But now with this decision, the dividend is going to be doubled in some of the entities or even increased by 80%. So this is definitely a big win for the investors, and which is why the prices of many of the Gujarat entities started to rise on Wednesday. IT companies धड़ाधड़ सबको निकालते जा रहे हैं. Now back in the pandemic times, all the IT companies started calling to fulfill the demand of IT services. माली है, आ जाओ. डिग्री है क्या तेरे पास IT का, आ जाओ. अच्छा 12th पास IT, हाँ आ जाओ. अरे व्हाइट हेड जूनियर, अच्छा IT, हाँ आ जाओ. This was literally the point of IT companies. जिसको आना था उसको ले लिया. It was just like a tennis court. इधर से इधर ये कंपनी, उधर ये कंपनी, ये पिश जो भी है. Everybody says that IT companies is the future. तो सब ने IT में काम करना शुरू कर दिया. फिर आया ChatGPT, AI, artificial technology, artificial intelligence, and already there is a list of jobs that AI is going to take over. उसमें IT वालों की jobs तो लगी है, कॉमर्स वालों की भी लगने वाली है. there is some good news in the IT jobs compared to the previous quarter of December 2022. This quarter, the attrition rates has declined. Now, attrition rates is when the employee has been voluntarily or involuntarily been removed from the firm. So now they're cutting costs, they are making layoffs, CEOs and top management are taking cuts in their salary. Hopefully they are. So right now the scope for IT jobs is looking very skeptical. Comment below your opinion, share it with your IT friends, and I will see you in the next video. Today I'm going to be talking about the debt mutual funds where the SEBI has removed the long-term capital benefits which you used to receive in the earlier system. Now recently the SEBI came out with the news that all debt mutual funds who have a less than 35% equity investment will no longer be receiving the long-term capital gains tax benefits. Instead, it will be taxed as per their income tax slabs. Now, under the LTCG taxation, the mutual funds used to get taxed at 20%, and this was a good opportunity for many of the investors when it came to paying their taxes. But now, because of this rule, there is a possibility that you will be paying more tax than you did earlier because of the new income tax slab that was recently introduced in the budget of this year. So make sure that you choose your income tax slab after giving due thought on which income tax payment system you want to choose, whether you want to stick with the old system or you want to pay with the new system, because this can make a huge difference in the amount of tax that you will pay under each of the schemes. Any investment made on debt mutual funds is applicable from April 1st of 2023. So it would be beneficial for you to invest in either equity linked mutual funds or hybrid mutual funds which have a higher percentage of equity and a debt which is less than 35%.